First thing to do is understand the difference between energy and anti-energy. More importantly, you will come to realize why you haven't been able to crack the code of a fully successful life up until now. If your health, your relationships, your creativity, your beauty, your work life, your finances, your sexuality, your mental focus, or your emotional state do not all, or even in part, seem to embody success, it is because you have not been taught about primal power. And here comes the next bit of key information. You have also not been taught about its opposing force. Meet anti-energy. Well, sadly, you know it far too well, just not by name. Anti-energy is the opposite of primal power. It is the force that challenges the strength of primal power, the force which causes primal power to be siphoned off a person. Anti-energy is the antithesis of primal power. But let me also add that anti-energy is not entirely without its benefits. Like all things, we cannot reject something outright. If it is in our world, it has purpose. Under the right conditions, anti-energy creates the right amount of challenge to help primal power and its creations grow and evolve. However, in our world, it has become overgrown and is wildly dysfunctional. So I'm not vilifying anti-energy any more than I would vilify any healthy challenge that enables us to strengthen. But it's gone rogue, and we are rapidly unraveling because of that.